Hey guys, Mrs. Neely here. Today for fifth grade for the summer school program, we are going to be doing an art lesson. We are going to be it's hard to see that, doing a roll a circus clown. And so the things that you need are just a blank piece of paper, something to draw with, and a die. And if you don't have one of those, ask your parents. There's apps that you can download also that'll work. All you need is just to roll a number, 1 through 6. Or you can even write the number on a piece of paper, the numbers 1 through 6 on separate pieces of paper, and just randomly draw them out at different times. Make sure you put it back in there to draw again, because you have a different option for each. So the first number that I'm going to roll, so for the first roll is the number that you get is going to be the head option that you draw. And I will post this in the comment section on the Facebook page. But so for the first number, I'm going to roll a die. I got a 6. So I'm going to go to this column right here and go all the way down to 6. And that is the head that I'm going to draw. So I'm going to set this down, get my pencil, and draw the head really fast. Oops, and I'm not very good at making a circle. I'll try to hold this up so you guys can see it as I draw it. So there's my head that I drew because I got the number 6. I'll show you the picture again so you see what I was attempting to draw. It was that one right there. Kind of looks alike. Okay, so the second number is going to be for the face. I rolled a number 6 again. And so the face I'm going to draw is that one right there. Let me hold this up so you can kind of see. I made mine a lot bigger on my paper. So 2 eyes, 1, 2, 2 little eyes, a really big nose, and a small mouth. Okay, so there's what my clown is looking like so far. I'll show you again what the picture was that I was trying to draw. So there was my head because I rolled a 6 for both of them. So there's my head, and then there's my face. Now the next one that we are going to draw for are the clothes. Let's see what our clothing outfit choice is. I rolled a 6 again. Okay, so that's going to be my clothing option. I'm going to draw that really fast. I don't really have a neck on here. I'll give you that option. It's kind of boxy. For number 6, and then you have the stripes. And then kind of a belt type thing going on. I don't know if you can really see. There we go. And then we're going to have our jeans. And our jeans have pockets. I'm going to put pockets on both sides like the picture has. And it also has like some little, like a hem or a cuff down at the bottom. Try to make that a little bit thicker. And so there's my outfit of my clown so far. I'll show you what I've been drawing so far. So I rolled a 6 for the first one, there's my head. Rolled a 6 for the second one, there was my face. And a 6 for the third one, there's the outfit. Hopefully let's get a different number this time. So now we are rolling, our fourth roll is going to be for the shoe choice. I got a 2. Okay, so that is the 2 shoe choice for our clown. It's kind of a boot looking thing. And they're not the same size, but we're gonna roll with it. Okay, there's our shoes. This is our clown so far. Okay, so for our final one, it's going to be our detail, and our detail options are juggling, a cake, a bow tie. I guess I'll hold it where you can see it better. Okay, so you can either have juggling, a cake, a bow tie, balloons. I don't know what happened with that balloon. It got wild. An umbrella or a cane. So let's see what number we roll. We got a 3. Ooh, we lucked out. We got a bow tie. So that'll be pretty easy to add on. So just gonna add a nice big bow tie. And then I think I'm gonna color that in so you can really see that it's a bow tie. Okay, and that is the final drawing of our clown. I think I'm gonna give him some arms. That wasn't an option on there, but he looks a little creepy without arms. And I'm not very good at drawing arms. Here, I'll show you how I draw my arms in case. And I know I got some 5th graders that are excellent artists. And so they would draw arms way better than I would. I just want to give my clown something to work with so he doesn't scare all the children at the circus that he works at. Okay. Now our clown has arms and he's a little less creepy. But after you finish your drawing of your clown, I would like you to upload a picture in the comments on our Facebook page and you'll be entered into a chance to win a prize. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.